The world is full of noise, but Sikkim is a quiet corner nestled in the Himalayas, where the wind and rivers tell ancient stories. Here, every turn reveals a new wonder: waterfalls, monasteries, and valleys shrouded in mist. The mountains aren't just scenery, they're alive with legends, shaping the lives of those who dwell in their shadow. Sikkim invites you to slow down, breathe in the pine-scented air, and discover joy in the simplest things. A cup of tea, a stranger's smile, a blue poppy. Imagine a world crafted by gentle hands, soft peaks, green cones of trees, and shimmering rivers. A claymation dreamland. Deep within this wonderland lie villages like Lachung and Lachen, each with secrets to share. Let's leave the noise behind and journey into the heart of Sikkim, where peace and wonder await. Our first stop is Lachung, a village painted in bright colors along the banks of a lively river. Wooden houses with sloping roofs dot the green valley, smoke curling from chimneys, and the air rich with the scent of wood fires. The Lachung Pass are warm and welcoming, their lives shaped by the seasons. In spring, Yumtang Valley bursts into a riot of rhododendrons, red, pink, purple, and white. In winter, snow blankets the village, turning it into a quiet wonderland where children play and stories are shared over butter tea. Lachung's unique Dzumsa system lets villagers govern themselves, preserving traditions and unity. Festivals fill the village with masked dances and ancient rituals, celebrating a deep connection to heritage. Here, time slows down. You can walk by the river, sip tea, and simply watch the clouds drift by. Lachung is more than a destination. It's a gentle reminder of a simpler, more peaceful way of life. In this valley of flowers, beauty and community bloom together. From Lachung, we travel to Lachen, Big Pass, a rugged, remote village at higher altitude. The journey is wild, with steep mountains and crisp, thin air. Lachen feels solemn, its sturdy houses clustered for warmth, its people resilient and shaped by the land. Lachen is the gateway to Gurudongmar Lake and Chopta Valley, sacred places woven into the lives of the Lachen Pass. Their semi-nomadic Drukpa tradition, moving with yaks and sheep, keeps ancient rhythms alive. The Lachen Monastery is the heart of the village, hosting dramatic mask dances and serving as a center of faith. Like Lachung, Lachen practices the Dzumsa system, fostering strong community bonds. Lachung is the gentle poet, Lachen, the stoic adventurer. Together, they reveal the balance of beauty and resilience in Sikkim. To visit both is to understand the spirit of the high Himalayas. The road from Lachen to Gurudongmar Lake climbs into a stark, wind-swept world above the tree line. The landscape is raw and humbling, with snow-capped peaks and a silence that fills the soul. Suddenly, the turquoise lake appears, a jewel at nearly 18,000 feet, its waters clear and still. Prayer flags flutter in the wind, and the only sounds are wind and silence. Gurudongmar is sacred to Buddhists and Sikhs, its waters believed to have healing powers. Legends tell of Guru Padmasambhava and Guru Nanak blessing the lake, ensuring part of it never freezes. Standing at the shore, you feel the weight of centuries and the power of nature's mystery. Visitors move quietly, in awe of the spiritual energy that fills the air. Gurudongmar is not just a site, it's a pilgrimage, a reminder of the deep bond between people and the land. It is a sacred gift of the Himalayas, to be cherished and protected. Imagine our journey as a claymation film. Gentle mountains, winding roads, and villages full of color and life. In Lachung, tiny clay houses and smiling figures fill the streets. Children roll snowmen, and Yumthang Valley blooms in pink and red. In Lachen, the mountains grow taller, yaks graze, and monks climb to the monastery, where masked dances come alive. At Gurudongmar Lake, turquoise clay water glistens, surrounded by prayer flags and silent peaks. A single clay figure stands at the shore, humbled by the vastness. This vision captures Sikkim's charm, grand beauty, heartfelt simplicity. Through this lens, we see not just landscapes, but the spirit of the people and their traditions. Sikkim's magic lies in its warmth, color, and quiet wonder. Visiting these remote villages takes planning, but the journey is part of the adventure. The best time to visit is spring or summer, when valleys bloom and skies are clear. Permits are required for North Sikkim. Arrange them through a travel agency in Gangtok. Travel with a sturdy vehicle and a local driver. The roads are winding and rough. Acclimatize in Gangtok and Lachen before heading to high altitudes like Gurudongmar. Respect the land and its people. Dress modestly, ask before taking photos, and never litter. Stay in local homestays to experience Sikkimese hospitality and support the community. Be patient, open-minded, and grateful for the chance to visit such a special place. A little respect goes a long way. Leave only footprints, take only memories. Travel gently, and Sikkim will welcome you with open arms. Our journey ends, but the spirit of Sikkim lingers. Wildflowers, rivers, and sacred lakes etched in memory. These villages are more than destinations. They are living stories of tradition, resilience, and harmony with nature. Sikkim's magic lies in its authenticity, culture, and community woven over centuries. The mountains teach us about simplicity, beauty, and our place in the world. As visitors, we share a responsibility to protect these fragile lands and cultures. If you ever feel the call of the mountains, remember Sikkim's colorful villages and tranquil valleys. Go, listen to the stories the wind carries, and perhaps leave a piece of your heart beneath the snow-capped peaks. The mountains are calling. Will you answer?
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free. But it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free. But it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.